Hello and welcome. In this video series, I'm going to show you how to make a data-driven web page that has a full-featured login and authentication system, as well as a backend database. We're going to make a we're going to make a to-do list, which may seem like a simple application, but the web page will include all the things you would need to make a robust, larger application. It'll have the ability to retrieve items from a remote database. Um, we'll see how these items are added to the Firebase database as well. You'll be able to, of course, remove items from the database, like clicking right there, and you'll see that field is now gone here, right? Um, of course, it's going to have the ability to, it's going to have its own login system. You'll be able to sign up, log in, log out. Like if I log out here, you see we have a login and a sign up form. Um, so there are two links in the description of this video. The first one is a link to a tutorial I've made. It's called JavaScript 101. That gives you an overview of the basics needed to make an interactive web page. But if you feel comfortable with that, you can choose to skip that video and move on to kind of part one of our of this series, which is going to cover creating a basic HTML page that's going to be like kind of the setup, the template for our to-do list application. And then in successive videos, we'll go over how you can use JavaScript and CSS and Firebase to make a powerful web application. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you learn a lot. Please leave any comments along the way. And thanks for watching.